Okay, welcome back for part two. Thank you. We're at 3500 East Lincoln Drive, House 6, Phoenix, Arizona 85018. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3745 on the square footage, built in 1970, kept pristine, and has unbelievable mountain views, sunset, and city light views. Asking price is $2.125, and we're at just under 15,000 square foot for the lot. And the HOA is about $675 per month. It is completely gated 24/7, and it has community playground, tennis courts, spa to enjoy. Oh, I better keep talking, otherwise the Eagles might get picked up on my phone and get me arrested for plagiarism or copyright infringement. Okay, here we go. So we've got plenty of closet space and so forth here. I don't want to open up anything personal, of course. Primary suite. And we go into the primary bathroom. Now there's another bedroom to the back of the house this way. And this has access to a side yard. It's kind of like a horseshoe wraparound yard. So we've got this area here, and then it'll wrap around to the gravel area over there, and then it leads to the pool, and then the pool has a little putting green course to the other side of it off the kitchen, which I'll get to in a moment. That'll be in part 3 when I want to get to the outside. So just sort of a formal private sitting area here. With another private deck. Awesome pavers. This would be great in the winter time. It's too hot to sit out there right now, but in the winter, it's just so awesome to sit there and have the sun, come up over the mountain and just kind of sit. I'd have a really nice little table set sitting out there with an umbrella and everything. That would be so awesome to make this into a really cool private suite, or even have for me, I'd probably do a movie theater room in here for sure, because I have to have my movie theater room. How could I go on without one? So, okay, here we're back into the living center. Oh, there's Henley again coming for me. Okay, so let me go outside here. Let's go outside this way, and I'll show you the pool area and the putting green. So I'll break this into part 3 right now.